Artificial intelligence or AI has become a ubiquitous topic in the business world, and its benefits are hard to ignore. While larger corporations have been using AI-powered technology for some time, small businesses are catching up, and they should not be left behind. With accessible AI, like ChatGPT on the scene, small businesses can improve their business operations, cut costs, analyze and predict, know consumer preferences, and provide excellent customer service. In this video, we will show you how AI can help your small business run more efficiently. Personalized marketing is one way AI can help your business. AI can use customer data to create personalized marketing campaigns, targeting specific customers with messaging that is more likely to resonate with them. AI can also analyze purchase history to recommend products or services that a customer will likely be interested in, based on their past behavior. In the world of content marketing, AI is now capable of mind-blowing tasks. For instance, OpenAI's ChatGPT-3, a powerful AI that uses natural language processing, can provide detailed responses from a prompt. You can ask it to give you a list of content ideas, and it will even write them for you in whatever format you require. There is a paid version of ChatGPT, but the free version still has everything you need. Another popular AI writing tool is Jasper, which tends to be detected as more human than ChatGPT's writing. It is doubly useful to use ChatGPT and Jasper in tandem. Write your initial blog post or content ideas in ChatGPT, and then paste them into Jasper for improvement. Once your content is ready, run it through Grammarly for editing ideas. You'll have a finished and polished piece of content all ready to go. Enhanced customer service is another area where AI can help. Equipping your company website with an AI-powered chatbot can provide 24/7 customer support, answer frequently asked questions, and resolve issues quickly. These AI tools can also follow up on leads via chat and emails to try and give valuable information. When the follow-up is successful, these AI bots hand over to humans to continue the conversation. Predictive analytics is another benefit of using AI in your small business. AI can analyze large amounts of data to identify trends and patterns that would be difficult for you to identify. It can also analyze social media data to identify emerging trends or sentiments around a particular topic or brand, helping you create content that will attract customers to your brand. Fraud detection is an additional benefit of using AI in your business. AI can analyze a customer's purchase history and compare it to typical behavior patterns to identify unusual or suspicious activity. This can help businesses prevent fraud losses and protect their customers' data. If you want to get started with AI for your local business, here are some steps you can follow. Define your goals and figure out if your business needs an improved customer experience, reduced costs, or create more online engagement. Identify areas where AI can be useful, such as automating routine tasks, analyzing customer data, or providing personalized recommendations. Choose an AI solution that best fits your business needs, like chatbots, predictive analytics, or natural language processing, among other options. Once you have implemented AI, monitor its performance and evaluate its impact on your business. Use this information to make adjustments and refine your AI strategy as needed. If you're struggling to be found by new customers on the internet, SwingPoint Media can help. They offer affordable guidance and coaching to local business owners who want or need to do it themselves. They've also created a podcast for local businesses, sharing strategies and tactics that can be applied to help you grow. In conclusion, small businesses cannot afford to ignore AI's benefits, and the earlier they start using AI in their business operations, the better. Local businesses, especially the ones that are maybe too small to be managed by a marketing company, often struggle to be found by new customers on the internet. SwingPoint Media recognizes this and has created a podcast for local businesses, sharing strategies and tactics that can be applied to help you grow. In addition, SwingPoint Media offers affordable guidance and coaching to local business owners who want or need to do it themselves, with a goal to reduce and eliminate wasted time and money chasing the wrong, best strategy for your business. Contact us to learn more.